Let's not beat around the bush. The domain of a polynomial function is all real numbers. You can express that however you want. The phrase all real numbers, the blackboard capital R, the interval negative infinity up to infinity. I would even accept the word everything. The domain of a polynomial function includes any number you can think of. Why? Polynomial functions are put together with multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And any two numbers you pick, you can add them together. Any two numbers you pick, you can subtract one from the other. Any two numbers you pick, you can multiply them together. But what about exponents, you say? We're allowed to take powers of our variable. But only positive integer powers. Positive integer powers are just repeated multiplication. So, for example, x to the fourth, that's just a shorthand for x times x times x times x. Any number you pick, you can multiply it by itself 4 times. That's no problem. The domain of a polynomial function is always all real numbers. So, I might ask you, what is the domain of this function and why? Notice, the variables only appear raised to positive integer powers. We never divide by a variable. We never do anything strange like take a root or anything like that. So, what's the domain here? Right. The domain is all real numbers because f is a polynomial function. If you see that it's a polynomial, you know its domain is always all real numbers.